say,
Yeah.
Listen, hey baby, how y'all doing here? Hello, bless you people. Listen here, you was on my MySpace and or you on YouTube here. Listen, I'm twitching because here I need some stuff in my life, but here I'm gonna be real with you here. Listen, ladies, this is to my ladies. What is wrong with y'all here? Y'all done lost your mind out here looking like coochies and hood rats, all provocative and looking nasty here. Listen, but I'm going to tell you this much right now, but I ain't going to blame you all the way. It's your parents and your elders should have taught you how to treat yourself and carry yourself right, because here, out here looking like you're looking, these dudes looking at you like you ain't worth nothing because you offer yourself like you ain't worth nothing and not a thing. But let me tell you this, baby, you're worth a whole lot here. Without you, we will not be here. I repeat, the men will not be here without us here. We are bad, mama jamma here. We just said, I'm middle here. I'm a million plus here. Cause baby, I'm a bad mother. Ooh, watch your mouth here. I ain't gonna cuss you here. But listen, I'm gonna tell you this: carry yourself the right way here. Treat yourself right here. And here, parents, teach your kids some manners and some respect here. I'm tired of going outside and cussing at me. Cause I ain't the one. Cause I bust a cap here. You better ask about me. Ask about me here. I ain't from Cali. Niagara Falls is where I'm from. Below is where I've been. LP, yeah, belong to me. He'll get to me real soon here, cause I'm not the one. But listen, baby, I'm serious. This is to my kids and my peeps, yeah, but you gotta carry yourself with some respect. And I'm tired of y'all looking nasty out here, yeah, because if you teach parents, or the parents, this goes to you, if you teach your children, your young ladies, how to become young ladies and not hood rats and whoremongers, yeah, they can carry yourself the correct way, and they can teach the men how to treat them like the queens that they are. Yeah, these females out here looking and acting rough and out of control. That's why these dudes, they come by, they do their thing, and go ahead and get up and go ahead and go by their business. But you know who your baby daddy is, because you're nasty. Stop it now. Yeah, I ain't with all that, because let Cora here, let my kid, somebody here. Ooh, that wasn't even my kid's name, but here, let my children? Hell no, baby, not my children, not mine. Not mine. If my children come outside looking like that, I will personally bust a cap in them. See, I don't know about you, but see, I am a parent with sticks and stones. Yes, I break bones. But I got a ratchet, baby, just in case. Here, baby. Here. I felt that in my spirit realm. Here. I felt that in my spirit realm. But here, y'all have stay here. Y'all be good here. Continue your day out here.